Let's select the cabinet, change the door style. Look for door with glass. I'm gonna go for wooden frame door. Select by part and go for door. Select the first door, you can hold on to shift and select all the other multiple doors. Scroll down and here you'll have your radius. You can simply change it. Let's say around 300, and then the bottom ones will be 0. Yes. Let's go back to style, and here you have glass finish. You can click on that and you can import your own material. Now you can go to images/videos. Go for real-time rendering. Now to select the material, hold on to Control. You'll be able to select it as per single material. Now here in editing textures, click on it. And if you scroll down, you will have lateral offset and longitudinal offset. As you can see, this is your vertical offset and this is your lateral offset. So now let's start off with here at 0. Let's go and change the other shutter. We can try and match it as close as possible, somewhere around here. Similarly, we'll repeat the same for this and similarly for this as well.